how to fix Roblox critical error failed to reach client settings. Open up your computer search, and first I want you to search for run. Click on run here. Type this percentage local app data percentage and click on OK. Here, click on any folder and type R so you find Roblox. Open up the Roblox folder. Then you want to go into versions. Click on the version that appears at the very top. Then you want to find Roblox Player Beta. Right click, show more options, and just click on properties. Now go to compatibility and check these two options. Run this program as admin and disable full screen optimizations. Click on apply, click on OK. Once you have done this, you can close it and we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be again opening up our computer search, searching for run, and this time we are just going to type temp. So percentage, temp, percentage. In here, you just want to find any Roblox folder which you may have and right click on it and delete it. Once you delete that, you can again close this window, and now we will proceed to the last step, which is gonna be searching for view network connections. Click on view network connections, find your first network connection which you use, right click, go to properties, find Internet Protocol version 4. Again, we're gonna click on properties, use the following DNS server addresses, and you will type, and here you will type 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. This is going to be the Google DNS. So you just want to click on validate settings upon exit and OK. Once you have done this, this should fix Roblox. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.